Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and today's weather hazard briefing is for Friday, September 10th. Going to be seeing some gusty winds and thunderstorms today, with a quieter look at Sunday and beyond. Some key points we're going to focus on. Those gusty conditions are expected today, with showers and isolated thunderstorms across the region. We do have a red flag warning in effect for today, from noon until 10 o'clock this evening. And the Idaho Department of Environmental Quality does have an air quality alert for Custer County. Warm conditions again are expected for Friday, maybe a few degrees cooler than Thursday, but that cold front coming through Friday night should be dropping temperatures by just about 10 degrees for your Saturday and Sunday. So those continued isolated thunderstorm chances for our eastern locations are expected for both Saturday and Sunday afternoon and evening hours, but after that, more quieter, seasonable conditions are expected to start off next week. Here's a look at this morning's current satellite loop. Have some clouds working through the area as that low pressure system continues to track east, and with that's going to be bringing some precipitation and moisture into our area. And just look at some clouds. Throughout the day, clouds will be generally building and creating a little bit more of a cloud deck throughout the day into tomorrow. Here's a look at our weather and impacts outlook matrix. Main concerns today are going to be those isolated thunderstorms with breezy conditions and some lingering smoke, especially in the central mountains. For Saturday and Sunday, those isolated thunderstorms do continue as far as looking at our eastern locations. And then towards Sunday, tapers off a little bit again and just mainly confined to our southeast locations. And smoke remains a concern. So as far as might be seeing some clearing Friday into Saturday. But towards Sunday, it looks like returning southwest flow should be bringing a decent amount of smoke back to our area. And the central mountains are currently experiencing a lot of localized wildfires, so seeing a lot of smoke inundation in that area through the forecast period and the coming weeks. Watches, warnings, and advisories. Looking at this, we just have that red flag warning for the entire CWA and Lemhi County. So for those very low relative humidities, gusty winds, and the chance of lightning. Here's a look at the HRRR smoke forecast for today. Mainly clearing conditions, especially across Southeast Idaho, with those gusty winds providing a little bit of relief. But then towards Saturday, once we switch back to a more southwesterly flow, be seeing a little bit more smoke inundated in the region, especially across the Snake Plain. Here's a look at your high temperatures and max wind gusts. So wind gusts are going to be the concern today, especially across the Snake Plain and Central Mountains, with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Here's a look at some possible reflectivity. So as far as starting off today, mainly confined to central mountains, and as the day progresses on, more showers are going to be present, especially in our southeast locations. So towards this afternoon, chances for isolated thunderstorms do increase, along with those gusty winds. But then towards the Saturday time frame, the showers do taper by midday Saturday, with increased chances both Saturday and Sunday night for some isolated thunderstorms in our south and eastern regions. High temperatures both Saturday and Sunday can be across the board, looking in the upper 70s to low 80s, maybe just a few degrees warmer for your Sunday. So predominant west and southwest flow does return to the region following that cold front, which we'll be seeing a little bit of gusty winds, especially across the Snake Plain, anywhere up to 20 to 30 miles an hour. And for your Monday, temperatures are going to be in the upper 70s. And for Tuesday, much of the same, so representing that trend going forward of more seasonable conditions, with temperatures for the start of your week in the 70s. Looking at our 6 to 8 temperature outlook, looks like it's going to be about an equal chance, so maybe just slightly warmer in our southeast locations, but just about normal for this time of year for next week. And for looking at precipitation, a little bit drier conditions are expected. So as far as those quieter conditions that we had talked about for that Monday time frame, maybe a few shortwave troughs working through the part of the week. We'll be defining that a little bit more as we get closer to that time frame next week, but generally drier conditions throughout next week. And temperatures, again, looking just about in the equal chance category, so just about seasonable for this time of year, which puts us in the right around the mid to upper 70s for September. And precipitation, things look to be slightly below normal, so as far as keeping those normal chances for precip, those will be continuing through the forecast period. And just taking a quick look here to summary, the gusty Friday conditions with those showers and thunderstorms is expected. Do have that red flag warning in effect today from noon until 10 o'clock with an air quality alert from the Idaho Department of Environmental Quality for Custer County, just mainly due to smoke concerns as far as air quality goes. Warm conditions continue for Friday, maybe a few degrees cooler than Thursday, but that cold front Friday night will be drastically improving our conditions. So Saturday and Sunday look to be fairly about 10 degrees cooler. So as far as the continued isolated threat, especially towards tomorrow night and Sunday night, but the start of next week looks to be a little bit quieter with seasonable temperatures expected. And that about wraps up your weather briefing for today, Friday, September 10th. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to contact us at our email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Hope you all have a wonderful day.